Hi, my name is Dan Barber. I'm a scientist and applications engineer at Lord Corporation. During the Electric and Hybrid Vehicle Technology Expo, we will be doing a product showcase on Tuesday at 12:15, booth number 937. We'll be talking about how Lord thermally conductive encapsulants can increase power, improve performance, and extend the lifetime of electric motors. We'll be demonstrating two units that are just like this. The only difference will be that the drive motor shown here, one of them will be unpotted, so an off-the-shelf motor. The other one will be potted with our 3.5 watt per meter K high thermal conductivity epoxy called EP3500. The way the demonstration works is the drive motor will run a generator, and that will push current through a variable resistance rheostat to light these two lights. So it's a very simple setup. The idea is to run both of the motors at the same power and to measure the temperature of the end windings in real time. So you'll be able to compare the temperature of a motor with and without potting directly. The demo will take place on Tuesday at booth 937 at 12:15 p.m. Hope to see you there.